another video. Today I'm just going to be disassembling the bike and inspecting it, as well as the engine. The main reason why I wanted to do this is because the gas tank decided to pretty much fall apart upon draining the oil. It looks like the oil is dark, possibly from the engine running lean and operating at a higher temperature. Notice how the 224 gas tank and the 212 gas tank are not interchangeable. One thing that keen viewers might notice is the bluing on the crank. Typically this is due to excessive heat and would be alarming otherwise. I'd asked a lot of people on the forums and they say these cranks look like this, stock, right out of the box, without being run. After further inspection, I removed the rod cap and inspected the bearings. The bearings seem to be in A-OK shape, so I put everything back together. And here's an indication of the engine running lean. That spark plug is a lot wider than I'd like it to be. And so begins the fork disassembly so we can do some suspension tuning. We removed the end cap on the fork so we can preload the spring with a spacer to make the suspension stiffer, as it does seem to bottom out on moderate wheelies and jumps. Always inspect your brake pads and rotors whenever you remove the tires. Man, I can't wait for you guys to see how the new tires feel. These old tires look like crap. Thank you everyone for watching. I know this video was a little short, but new videos are coming up on the way. This is just some saved footage that I had of us inspecting and tearing down the bike. So I'm going to show you the new tires. Can't wait to show you how much grip the new tires have. And we're going to be going to a mystery place that I've been to many times before. So stay tuned. Thank you for subscribing. If you're not, please like and subscribe. Typical YouTube BS. See you in the next video.